And we're back. This week I have something special for you. We're making some classic hamburger and french fries. And I can't wait to show you this. I have some super cool techniques that is going to make this extra special and easy to make at home. Just follow along. First, the intro. My name is Chefling. I am a Trinidadian born and proudly Canadian chef. I fought through the flames and trained for years, also I can share my passion for cooking with you. Follow my culinary journey, share your thoughts, and let's get creative in the kitchen together. There we go. Okay, and we're back. We're gonna be making some really fun, really cool hamburgers. We don't have to be on the grill, we don't have to do anything fancy like that. I'm gonna show you some quick techniques at home on how to make these hamburgers that's gonna probably make you stop going to McDonald's. I'm pretty sure. I can promise you that. It's very easy. It doesn't take much time, nor does it take very many ingredients. But what it does, it brings a certain freshness that you're gonna really enjoy, and honestly, thank me most likely for it. What I'm doing right now is actually just taking the thyme leaves off the sticks so we can use that to season our meat. So I'm doing that. Okay, I think that's enough. We can get rid of this guy here. I'm not gonna throw it out because I don't want to lose those precious thyme leaves that we grow here. So now I have about a half pound of ground beef, 80% lean, 15% fat, because you want that fat that's really going to help. Let's put that thyme leaf that we just crunched up, that we just took off. We don't need to cut it up or anything, we're just going to put it in whole. Now, for the fun stuff, paprika, about a tablespoon. Garlic powder. Salt, pepper, special ingredient, I'm not going to tell you. Don't need to add it, don't worry. Then we're going to use our hand and mix it up. Okay, there you go. You can add eggs. That will help hold it together when you pan fry, barbecue grill, up to you. But I'm not gonna use eggs today. I'm just gonna do it the classic way. I'm gonna fry these. Gonna pan fry these hamburgers now, and we're gonna put them to the side. And then we're gonna make our sauce and some French fries. So we're gonna put some oil in the pan. We want the pan to be really hot. If I can't use a cast iron pan here because this is an induction burner, but if you have a cast iron pan at home, that really does help as well. But don't worry, we have the trick here. We're going to add a little extra heat or a little extra flames on it. So let's make these burger patties. We just want to use our hands and make a ball. And then we're going to actually make our burger patties in our hand. So you want to make these things a little bit wider, because ground beef, when it goes in like this, it does tend to shrink. So you don't want the patties to be too small. We're not making kids burgers here, we're making regular hamburgers. I'm trying to give you the same goodness, but also you don't have to have all that processed food. These are a couple really good ingredients. Hamburgers especially, you only want to flip them once. So what I'm doing, have confidence that it's not burning, it's not. You want that crust on the bottom anyways. That's going to give you a lot of extra flavor.
You can tell the meat is ready to turn when the meat turns from a bright red to a light pink. Also, giving it a quick press helps it to cook and keep its shape.
You know when it's fun, when it's fun. So, what I want to do is, at this point, we're going to add the cheese. Bada booey. Bada booey. We're going to put the hamburgers on the cutting board, and I want to use this delicious beef fat, rendered beef fat here, and we're going to use that to cook down some mushrooms that we're going to use as a topping. Now what I'm doing is using a little bit of onion, and I'm adding it right to that beautiful beef fat that just came off these hamburgers. And we're going to cook these down, and we're going to use this and the mushrooms as a wicked topping to this hamburger. Now I want to let you guys know, if you have some questions about the meal delivery service that we have going on, and actually check out a video of us delivering the food to Chris from CaribbeanPot.com and see how it actually comes delivered to your house and what kind of value you get from that, and you know, like that. But you can order this, or not this actually, this is for me to eat. But you can order the dishes just like this one. Alright, let's add the mushrooms right inside now. Let's deglaze our pan here a little bit with some water. Let me show you close up all these beef patties.
Flame on.
What we plan to do is, I'm going to leave that cheese to melt on its own naturally, but we're going to add a little bit more heat to it to the end if it's not fully melty enough for me. You can really, really smell how good, oh yeah, if you could smell what it smells like, it's really, really, nothing like caramelized onion in the morning. It's not really morning right now, but you get what I mean. Okay, come check out what this looks like. Alright, now our hamburgers are cooked. We have the melted cheese on it. We have our caramelized onion with some oyster mushrooms in there. What we're going to do now is
Fry our French fries.
alright. So let's go ahead and start frying these bad boys here. Paper towel, paper towel is going to catch the oil from. You don't want all that extra oil, we just want to get rid of some of it. Feeling so Canadian today. What do you guys feel? Let me know what are you guys thinking. It's super simple to put this together. But these little tips and tricks that I'm showing you right now, I promise you, you're going to try it, you're going to love it. Okay, I promise. With a big capital P. Also, chefling.ca/order food. Order some meals. Get them delivered right to your house, and you'll have a good time with it, I promise. So many promises today. Wow. This is frying up nicely. Let's increase the heat. These kind of potatoes are russet potatoes. It's the perfect potatoes for French fries. A little insider thing I have in my head to tell you. New York Fries uses russet potatoes. I could have fried these French fries before, but honestly, nothing beats fresh cut. I want to call them chip truck fries, but I guess we're not, because we're right inside our kitchen, so how could it be there's no truck involved. But this is what it is. So. Do they have fries and hamburgers in Trinidad? No. I mean, yes, of course they do, but it's not like, it's definitely not the same as in Canada here. It's the Canadian hamburger and French fry scene is way different. It's everywhere, every corner, every block, every way you look. But in Trinidad, you can definitely find it. I knew they had a McDonald's in Trinidad. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they closed down, but I think they may have come back. Another tidbit of information that you didn't want to know. We got our pan here. this tip is probably the most important part of this hamburger. The difference between other people's hamburgers and my hamburgers. We need to use butter. I'm gonna use butter in the pan right now. Let me show you what I'm gonna do with it. Like Gordon Ramsay would say, a knob of butter. And all, I guess, other British people. I'm not British, but you get what I'm saying. So get that butter all over the pan. Oh, pan fried butter, you cannot go wrong. Buns. We're gonna wait for the butter to melt. I'm gonna add the buns to the pan. And we're gonna use the bun to soak up that butter and then let it toast. Make sure it's fully coated with butter and in there the toast. I do not like when the bun of the hamburger is soft on the top. So what I want to do is actually put them into the oven as well as getting it a nice buttered bun on the bottom. We're gonna get them toasted on the top just for about three minutes in that oven. Let's make these hamburgers, and I cannot wait to eat them, and also to show you at home. Mainly eat them, to be honest, because I'm very excited. All right, let's plate two of these bad boys. One for the thumbnail and one to eat. There you go. Okay, let's use that. Bun. Right, now, I like to put ketchup and mayo. So let's put some mayo to start. Ketchup at the bottom. Don't want to put the label.
What makes this different?
Give it some tang, some twist, and some love. Pepper sauce. My pepper sauce is not very spicy, but it's really gonna give it a nice kick to this hamburger. It's kind of like a mustard, I guess. It's gonna act like a mustard. Tell me at home, what's your favorite brand of ketchup? I'm just curious. Is it Heinz? Is it Frank's? That's the only two I know off the top of my head. But let me know at home, okay? What's your favorite one? Alright, now we have our sauces on this. Let's add some tomato. And some pickle. Today we're gonna leave the lettuce off of it, but you can add lettuce at home. I'm gonna leave the lettuce to the cows today. Red onion. No, red onion. Pickles, tomatoes, ketchup, hot sauce, pepper sauce, mayo, and the caramelized onions and mushrooms. Woo!
Please subscribe and help me continue to make this content for you.
Now listen, I need to tell you another really important thing. Turn off this oil. As the fries are while the fries are hot, just came out of the oil, it's really important to add salt and other seasonings that you want on it, because it's gonna stick better to the fries, and also it's just totally better. So salt. This is how I'm gonna season my fries today. Salt, generous seasoning, paprika, and black pepper. I'm gonna take out those paper towels now. It's done its job, and now we're just gonna give it a quick toss.
Can you hear how crispy these fries are?
Fantastic. Put the French fries on the plates. Wow. I enjoyed my time with you again this week. Every week I look forward to Tuesday because I know I'm gonna get to spend time with you. Now, let's talk about this hamburger. Hamburglar, that's what it should be called. Wow, look. Oh, enough talking. Let's get eaten. Wow, it looks so pretty. I don't even want to eat it. It looks so pretty. All right, here we go. Oh no. That's a crime. It's so good. McDonald's, you have nothing on me. And now nothing on you because you know how to make it at home. So please, enjoy this. Let me know if you make it at home and what I don't know. So good. I'll see you next week. Well, I'm gonna eat the rest of this right now. So good. Wow. Bye.